At my first court date, should I plead guilty or not guilty? Or what should I do? Generally, at your first court date, I don't advise pleading guilty. And the reason is this. Typically at that first court date, you're not going to have had an opportunity to see the discovery against yourself. And I know what you're thinking. You're like, Jesse, I kind of know whether I did or didn't do the crime, so maybe I do want to plead guilty at my first court date. That's fine, except the reality is that in the criminal justice system, it doesn't matter whether you did or didn't do it. What matters is, can the state prove that you did do it? And we don't know if they can until we see all of the evidence against you, and we have an opportunity to poke and prod and try that evidence to determine whether or not it's strong evidence or whether it's the kind of evidence that's going to crumble as soon as you blow on it. So until we know how strong the evidence is or what evidence exists against you, it's not advisable to plea. Another thing that you want to be wary of is at your first court date, the prosecutors probably aren't going to give you their best offer. Like any negotiation, it's going to take a little bit of back and forth. And at the first court date, if you're not getting the best possible offer for your case, why would you plead guilty? Instead, take the reset, plead not guilty at your first court date, and just kind of see how things progress. Test the evidence, look for the best offer, and if it's ultimately in your best interest, you can always plead guilty at a later time.